Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out a beautiful 1966 Mustang Convertible. Red on red with the white power top. I believe that's just the old single exhaust. It's got a nice sound to it.
Good oil pressure, gas gauge, amp gauge, and temp gauge, all four work. Just throwing that out there.
Nice. This one's got nice paint and a beautiful interior.
The only thing I've seen on it's got one little seam split on the interior, but it is a good looking car.
Very good looking.
We got a lot of 65, 66 Mustang convertibles right now. I think we sold 2 yesterday.
Yep.
We still have some left, but this is the newest one to the site and really has gorgeous paint. Probably the best paint out of all of them.
Oh yeah, I would say so.
Want to get that hood for us?
Yeah.
Grill, horse and corral. Front bumper looks good. You can see it's the original horse and corral. You got a little bit of tarnish just on the sides, but on the front looks great. It's got black aftermarket Ford Racing valve covers. It does have power steering, which is nice. A new aluminum radiator. We just put that one in. Bottom of the hood's nice.
Factory C-code car, so it was
Okay.
an original V8 2-barrel.
And look at the top of the inner fenders, really nice. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com, check out the undercarriage, check out the trunk pictures as well. Bottom of the hood's paint is nice on it. Both the gaps, front to back on the hood are nice. Is it just me or is it getting a little colder?
It's getting a little chillier.
I love the style steel rims. We listened to our viewers on YouTube. They wanted us to keep the white wall tires, so we did. It's got good tires on it. Back of the hood, I mean, it's not perfect. It's got a little bit of a buff, little bit of a burn or a little chip right here in the very corner, but like I said, that's very minute. A couple little scratches right here in the top too, or top of the fender. Bottom of the front fender is excellent. Couple little paint imperfections right here, couple little bubbles. Gap's awesome. Top of the door matches up nice. Back of the door lines up good. Original door handle has some little blemishes in the chrome. Bottom of the door matches the quarter panel, excellent. Quarter panel is great. In front of the wheel, behind the wheel, over the wheel. And again, just a nice straight car. Does have a little scratch right here. Back bumper's nice, single exhaust, original tail lights. Chrome around the tail lights is all original. Does have the aftermarket, because they didn't come with the wheel well trim in 65 and 6, but it's got the aftermarket wheel well trim and rocker molding on it. Nice white top. Beautiful, nice and tight as well. It's got some pitting on the chrome here, very typical of the chrome around the top. Looks like it's got a little chip right here above the, chip in the paint above the gaslit door. The bottom of the door fits awesome too. I mean, the fit and finish is really nice on it.
Very nice.
Bottom of the door lines up great to the rocker in front of the door. Again, style steel wheels, little tires on it. In good shape. Bottom of the quarter panel is excellent. Over the wheel well's nice. Has a tiny little chip here that's been touched up. Couple little rock chips there. Front of the quarter's great. One chip right there on the rocker. Again, another one on the tiny one on the door. Be critical of it, but the paint's within the last 5 years and still really nice. We'll go over here to the passenger side and check out that interior. Door opens nicely. Bottom corner, just like we want to see, rust-free. Rubbers and stuff are redone at restoration.
And even just the paint job in the door jambs, like if you look at the rocker and the interior door jamb there, it just has a great shine. It looks like it was buffed just like the rest of the car.
Yeah, I mean, The paint's probably 5 years old, or 3 to 5 years old, I'm guessing. A couple little chips. It's been driven, but nice paint in the jambs, nice door panels, beautiful seats, and it's got the pony interior, and that's exactly what it come with. And I decoded this. This was the original red car.
Nice.
So steering wheel's original, red paint still on the dat, and the steering column's never been messed with. Dash pad's nice, paint on the dash itself. If a guy wants to do what we usually do, like with Tim, you could repaint that, repaint the steering column, put the new $35 bezels in, and it would look really sweet. But it shows the originality of it with the original paint there and the bezels. You can go ahead and roll the windows up, I think, D. We're gonna drive this one with the top up. They go up good?
They sure do.
Original felts, and they're in good shape. This window, now this window fits better than the 69 we just did.
Yeah, my side fits great too.
Corner of the door here, had a little bit of work done, nothing major. There's your tag. Door panel's nice. Like Dalton said, the paint and the jambs are nice. Couple tiny little chips there. It's got one seam split right here. Right there, unfortunately. Other than that, the seats are mint. Back seat is perfect. I wonder if the heater works. I'm hoping it does.
I don't know. We're going to find out here in a
It's
second.
got 102,000 miles, it looks like, on the car. Or 02 anyway. And as far as the paint on the dash, I mean, that's original. You can tell that. So I'm sure it's not 202. Starts easy.
Yeah. Your fan's got a little squawk to her.
A lot of times.
Sometimes they're just not used very often, you know?
That
So
they get.
sometimes they take a little bit to get moving.
We can put a new fan in it.
Sounds like me in the morning when I don't want to wake up. Original radio
It's
still
nice
there.
that the original radio is still there.
The box looks good.
Be a miracle if it were, but probably not. Probably not. Amp gauge works, temp gauge works, horn works, wipers work. Original windshield in it too. Doesn't have any chips. Well, it does have a little chip over on your side.
It looks like it's been fixed, yeah.
Power top works good.
Hey, the top canvas and rails and all that looks like that was new.
They
Looks
redid
great.
the whole thing. It's nice. Transmission seems to shift good. Again, we got power steering, new radiator. I'm 6'2" and I got plenty of room in it. But again, ask us if you're a bigger person, you still want a Mustang, we can move the seats back for you. Not a big deal. Do it every day. Well, every week. All right?
Yep.
Speedometer works as well.
I think this one, if I remember right from the undercarriage picture, is just single exhaust, but the exhaust looks all new too.
It looks new in the back, from what I can see from the back side of the car. Brakes, I mean, we don't let any of these cars, we spend way too much money on the brakes, that's for sure. Like everyone gets brake work, it seems like. Brakes stop great, but it is nice when they're doing these videos and the cars go to the customers that the steering wheel is straight, the brakes aren't pulling either way, and they stop nice.
Yep. And I like that single exhaust, especially for something like this. You just want to take on a Saturday, go to some shows, cruise around with. Don't want to hear nothing, you know, loud and obnoxious.
Yeah, you don't want to hear something like that 68 Chevelle we just got in.
Yeah,
I mean, that was awesome, but
This is a different car.
Feel. This ain't a race car.
Yeah.
But the ride's nice. That little V8
Really nice.
runs good. 60 mile an hour. You have a little vibration at 65. Probably the tires are out of balance, I'm guessing. Brakes are awesome.
Power steering's nice to have in one of these. Not a lot of them had power steering.
No, they didn't. Another thing that's nice is it idles down really good, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Great oil pressure. Temperature gauges come off the cord. Yeah, just a little 2-barrel car from the factory. Picks up speed really well, runs well, good power.
Yep.
Shifts
Nice.
well.
It's a good one. I like it.
65. We're pushing Yeah, that's all it is too.
Because as soon as you get over
vibration back then, it's just tires. I wasn't even doing it out. The brakes are real good here. Turn signal indicators work on the dash.
Nice Mustang. Check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss another one of our cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.